If you want to know how you can scan documents using your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the camera app. Then in the camera app, just tap on the four dots over here. Now just open the camera settings. Under the camera settings, you will find the option Scan Documents. Now just make sure you enable this toggle. Now after you enable this toggle, you will be able to scan any document using the camera app of your tablet. Now as you can see, this is a document which I want to scan. Now let's place this document over here. Now after the document fits the camera frame, a yellow rectangle will appear around the document which you want to scan. Now from here, just tap on the document icon over here. As you can see at the bottom left corner, there is a document icon. Now just tap on it. Now after you do that, you will scan the document in the camera preview. And from here, you can adjust the frame to whatever you like. As you can see from here, you can crop a bit. And once you're satisfied with your document, then tap on Save. Now as you can see, if I open the gallery app, we will be able to find the document which we have scanned over here, just like that. And this is how you can scan documents on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.